Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we will be removing and replacing the liftgate release switch in a 2009 Chevy Suburban. If you need this part or other parts for your car or truck, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. We're going to open the liftgate. We're going to switch our automatic liftgate off. We're going to take this handle off. We're going to use a T30 and a extension. Next, we're going to use one of our trim panel tools. We sell these at 1aauto.com. Slide it in, peel it back. Before I pull that down, I'm going to pull this one down. I just need to pull the edges out just to gain access to this. Before I pull it out, I'm going to pop this. So I want to pop this rear glass. I'm going to use this button on the key fob. Hold it down. This rear glass will pop up. I got to take these two push pins out. I got to push down on them. Release. Pull them out. Oops. Pull this out. So we don't want this to close all the way. I'm going to pull this up a little bit. Pry down on this. We can push this up and out of the way. And there's for this switch, there's a little clip. Pull that up, pop that switch off. Next we use our 10mm socket. Oops. An extension and a small ratchet. Pull these nuts off. And there's two more over here. I'm going to pop this connector off right here. Slides out like that. Here we're going to use our flat blade screwdriver. Just push this grommet through, just like that. We're going to use a screwdriver and push on this retainer tab right there while pulling from up top. There's another one on the other side. Pull out. Next we're going to use the T20. an extension and a ratchet. We're going to take these 4 fasteners out. Pull that up. Fish our wiring through here. And there's our switch. As you can see, this is our old rear liftgate switch, the outer switch. This is our new one. It's identical from 1aauto.com. If you look at the connectors are identical. And the rubber grommets that go through the gate up to the switch itself. A lot of times these switches get corroded. They fill up with water and then they won't work anymore. So get yours from 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. Next we're gonna fish this connector through here. Pull the grommet through. Place our switch right there. So we're going to take this cover. This is going to go on this way. You can see the wires go through here on the cover. Going to go right like that. I'm going to take our 20mm Torx T20 and the screws. Now we're going to tighten them all down. Just snug. Just want to fish our wiring through the hole. You can push this grommet in. If you need help, use a flat blade screwdriver. Line up the holes. Push it down. Next we're going to use our 10mm socket and extension and install the 10mm nuts. And over here. Get those in, then I will snug it down. Next we're going to plug in the connector. So it clicks. We want to slide this over up top first. Sliding these parts underneath up here. Like that. Before we push those push tabs in, we're going to line some of these push rivets. Get those in. We need to remember there's an electrical connector right here. Hook that up. For your switch. With these plastic type rivets that we pulled out before, you want to get it set up like this, so you're going to push on this to get it so it's popped through like that, so that when we get these in the hole, then you're just going to push down and make it flush. And that's good. We can close this. We're going to line these up. Push that up. Over here, line these up. It's all lined up. Now we're going to install this bolt. It's a T30 Torx. Tighten it up. Just snug it up. We're going to turn on our automatic liftgate. Now we're going to test our liftgate. Hit the close button. And it latches good. Now we're going to open it. Just push the button. Good.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.